Like what?
You're ringing stuff up as Kool-Aid packets, and then you rang up a tank top for the shirt.
I'm going to hang on to your purse for you.
No, you're not going to touch my purse. And you can keep that.
Everyone, you're not cooperative. You're under arrest.
No,
you are under arrest. It's not up for debate.
Bro, get the fuck up. Get the fuck
Then
up.
stop resisting.
Get off of me, bro.
Stop resisting.
Move. Bro, I'm pregnant. Get off of me.
Well, you got to stop fighting, okay?
On May 24th, 2023, an officer with the Whitehall Police Department in Ohio walked into a Walmart on a routine call from loss prevention. What followed at the self-checkout was a confrontation between a mother, her pregnant daughter, and the law itself. Where exactly does theft begin, and how far can resistance go before it becomes a crime?
Yes.
Like what?
You're ringing stuff up as Kool-Aid packets, and then you rang up a tank top for the shirt.
I'm going to hang on to your purse for you.
No, you're not going to touch my purse. And you can keep that.
Everyone, you're not cooperative. You're under arrest.
No,
you are under arrest.
She didn't walk out the door.
I didn't walk out that door.
Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh!
You trying to take me in my privy?
Yes.
Okay, here. I'll take it.
Just follow. Go with them. Go with them. I need you to come here. Place your hands behind your back.
I'm not going to jail.
I didn't say you're going to jail. I said you're under arrest.
No, that's...
Sir, you cannot
Do not
touch
make
me.
this. I can't. You are under arrest.
I did not go nowhere. I did not even go nowhere. What is wrong with you? Get your hands off of me. Okay, get your hands off of me.
off her.
You're hurting me.
Get off of her.
You're hurting me.
Back up. You need to back up.
You need to back up because
She's pregnant.
she didn't leave.
I didn't even go nowhere.
I'm not messing with
She didn't leave the door, so therefore you can't grab on her.
Okay, can you let me go?
Let go.
No, I cannot.
Okay,
Yes, you
understand. You are
can.
under arrest.
No,
For
she's
what?
not under arrest. She didn't leave out the
I didn't
door.
even go nowhere.
Watch out. Get off her.
Okay, can you just let me go?
The
No, I
fuck?
cannot.
Okay, I will do what you ask. This is my daughter. Can you stop, please?
I need her to leave me alone.
Stop. Okay, Pyra, stop.
No.
Pyra, stop. Okay, she's pregnant. Please let me go, and I will calm down. Stop. Why are you squeezing my arm? Get my phone and record this.
No, he
is
can't do
being
nothing.
recorded.
He didn't. You didn't walk out the door.
Okay.
Get
What are
off
you doing? I'm not even doing nothing.
Get off of her. She
I'm
didn't
not-
go out the door, so it's
I'm not even
loss
doing
prevention.
nothing.
Let her go.
I'm not even doing
You have
nothing.
your items, so you have to let her go.
She is pregnant.
Okay,
You
real
guys
simple.
are
You guys are under arrest.
No,
You're
you
not
guys
in charge
are
for
not under
theft.
arrest.
Put your hands in front of you.
No.
You're going
Okay,
to place your
okay.
handcuffs.
Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for debate.
Touch me. Get
It's
off.
not up for debate.
Bro, get the fuck. Get the fuck
Then
out.
stop resisting.
Get off of me, bro.
Stop resisting. Put your hands in
Move.
front of you.
Let me calm
I'm
Get
offering to
off of me.
handcuff you. Do not interfere with me. Stop it.
Get off of me.
Trying to not hurt you. You are under arrest. You are not in charge of this.
Move. Get the fuck off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Get the fuck. No, get off.
What?
Bro, I'm pregnant. Get off of me.
Well, you got to stop fighting, okay?
Okay, get off of me.
All right, stand up. Stand up for me. Put your hands on your back, okay? Put your hands on your back. Yeah.
Get off of me.
under-
I didn't do that. Get the fuck off of me.
Help them. You got her?
Bro, move. Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Move. Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
Don't touch me.
3. Yes.
You didn't have to do that.
And you ain't have to hit her.
You was twice her age, man. You ain't have to do that.
Everything, and I recorded it.
Pull this leg in.
Yes, can I just want to make sure my daughter's all right.
Well, your daughter's out there. She's fine.
walking out. Okay.
You would have just...
I mean, you shouldn't have did all that. She was pregnant.
Okay, she's still resisting.
No, she's not resisting. She was just saying,
Put your leg up.
oh my God.
Well, take your foot.
Got everything?
Shoot it. That's the card.
I think her receipt's in her bag.
You can leave.
Like,
Yeah, 524 and 456.
so I'm gonna take it.
No, we're playing around.
Thank you.
We're good.
Are you really arrested me?
Have a question?
So like, go to
Do you understand your rights? Do you understand your rights? Yes, you are under arrest for theft. Okay? It doesn't matter if you haven't left the store. Once you pass the last point of sale,
I didn't pass nothing.
okay, well, they have enough to
State
you're
of Ohio,
under
once you
arrest.
conceal an item, it is theft, whether you are in the store or not.
Okay, but
All right, we're not having court out here. Just go.
Okay.
Yes, you are going there. Have a seat.
Yeah.
No.
This is my pastor. You want to know what's going on? You want me to ask what's going on, that's all.
They're under arrest for theft.
Stealing, they didn't want to be detained for stealing, they resisted arrest.
They were stealing?
Yep.
Okay, let me let you, this is the pastor. I don't forget about it.
They
You
were
just
caught
asked
doing
me.
stealing, they were
Okay.
approached by it, started the scene, didn't want to be placed under arrest for it, and that's where we're at now.
Okay, let me just let him know.
State, not local.
Pastor.
I might not have
Okay, hold on. What did you say? What?
They're placed under arrest. They were stealing, they didn't want to be detained for the theft, they resisted arrest, now they're both going to county jail. Correct. Correct. And Officer Ortega.
The county, right?
Yep, Jackson Pike. What's your name, young lady?
My name is Sahar. See my ID. I watched you look through the whole purse. There's nothing in there. I didn't steal nothing. You didn't see me walk out with nothing.
Okay. So you're under arrest right now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you're not afford an attorney, the courts will appoint one to you. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime you talk to an attorney. You also have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You understand what your rights are? Okay.
Start with the foundation. Ohio Revised Code Section 291302 defines theft as knowingly exerting control over property with purpose to deprive the owner by deception. Nothing in the statute requires the suspect to step outside. The moment a person scans a tank top as a packet of Kool-Aid, the deception is on the record. The "I didn't leave the store yet" defense is folklore, not law. On probable cause, Beck v. Ohio, 1964, holds that probable cause exists when the facts available to an officer would warrant a reasonable person to believe an offense has occurred. Here the officer had three independent sources: loss prevention's closed-circuit observation, the receipt at the register, and his own direct observation. Any one of them clears the bar. And under Ohio Revised Code Section 2935041, a peace officer may make a warrantless arrest for an unlawful taking in a mercantile establishment, even without personally witnessing it. The merchant's observation is enough. So when the mother says, "You didn't see me walk out," she is making an argument the law does not require the officer to answer. On resistance, Ohio Revised Code Section 292133 says no person, recklessly or by force, shall resist a lawful arrest. Because this arrest was lawful, every pull-away is a separate misdemeanor, and when the daughter pulls the officer off her mother, that crosses into obstructing official business under Section 292131. Speech is shielded by the First Amendment. Physical interference is not. On force, Graham v. Connor, 1989, gives us three factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat, active resistance. The crime is a misdemeanor, low severity. The threat is low. Both cut against significant force. But active resistance is sustained over multiple minutes after clear commands. Some will argue the officer should have walked away because she was pregnant. The law does not give that discretion once a lawful arrest has been initiated. The officer stayed at soft, empty hand control. Handcuffing, a controlled takedown. No taser, no firearm, no strikes, no abdominal pressure. On this record, a federal judge applying Graham would almost certainly find this force objectively reasonable. The standard is not perfection. It is what a reasonable officer would do at the moment, judged without hindsight. On Miranda, the rule from Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires the warning before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. Officer Ortega delivered it after securing the daughter in the cruiser, which is exactly right. He hit all 4 elements. Right to silence. Right to counsel. Appointed counsel. Right to stop questioning.
Never happens that way for us, unfortunately.
Is that good customer? Yes.
No idea. What'd you do to your hand?
I broke my hand. I don't have a cast on anymore. That's all she paid.
Alright. Third coming.
What's that?
Third coming. She's pregnant. She's hurting. They're gonna go behind the building so that it's not out front.
Less going on.
I just don't want a bunch of. I don't need the crowd coming out there and cause harassment out there too. You know. So this is the stuff they can pay for.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're. I'm assuming they're gonna go to jail, but whatever. We'll just put them.
Completely up to you. Mom, I never thought that they would get them off.
I don't know if they're either.
No more problem.
I'll just take it. We'll give them an opportunity to call somebody to pick up their groceries if they want.
Okay.
Come on out, ma'am. You need some help?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be a little easier if you can lean back a little bit and get that other leg out.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Now we can scooch forward. Now you can press against the frame. There you go. Scoot yourself
Oh, I
forward.
can't. I honestly can't. Woo. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
All right. Let me do this.
Try to take me out like that?
You ready?
Yep.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. There you go. Scoot, 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 scoot. There you go. There you go.
Can I tell you something?
What's up?
I would have, even though I was as mad as I would have never took care of that warrant.
I believe it.
Because I actually forgot about it. And you said,
If you don't get bond posted tonight, you'll see a judge in the morning.
you okay? Where's your purse?
It's up front with me. I'm going to get your purse and stuff now.
He said my phone is on the...
Yep, I'll get it all. Watch your foot, please. Hey, real quick, while I got both of you here, I want to say this now so I don't forget later, okay? Now, understand that what I'm about to say, I tell every person that I take to the county jail. It is not a personal thing. It is not an accusation. It is a statement, okay? If you have anything on you, any drugs, any paraphernalia, or any weapons, right now is your time to tell me. The lighter doesn't count as paraphernalia.
Oh.
Right? Including marijuana. If you got any,
Oh, no, I don't.
Right. I'm
got
not
you.
making a judgment. I'm making a statement, right? That
I think I got...
once we get to the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, right? Your lighter is not irrelevant.
Okay, do you want to put my keys in my...
I'll check here in just a second.
Okay.
But if you have any, pipes, any papers, anything like that, any drugs, once we get in the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, it becomes a felony 3 for conveyance. So right now, we can deal with it, on possibly like a lower misdemeanor level, depending on what it is. All right? But again, not a judgment. It's a statement that I make to every person I take to the county jail. So when we get in there, like, oh, you know, I had dope stuffed up in me. I didn't know. You did know because I gave you the opportunity. I have made the statement. Cruiser camera's reporting, my body camera's reporting, right? Okay. There's no denying that that people were given this warning. Okay. Are you worried about something?
What's that?
Just about being in the back of the car?
Now the grades. Officer Ortega earns a B-. Probable cause was airtight. Force stayed within legal limits. Miranda was complete. His later de-escalation, helping the pregnant daughter from the cruiser with a calm tone, was strong. He loses points for the absence of any tailored verbal warning before the takedown of a visibly pregnant subject. A tactical gap, not a legal failure. The mother earns a D. The theft was complete the moment she scanned dishonestly. The arrest was lawful, and the officer explained the basis on scene. Continuing to resist transformed a single misdemeanor into a stack of charges. Worse, she pulled her pregnant daughter into a physical confrontation. The instinct to protect a child is human. Weaponizing that child against a lawful arrest is not. The pregnant daughter earns a C-. Verbal objection, even loud and angry, was protected speech. The moment she placed her hands on the officer, that protection ended and obstruction began. What saves her grade is the second half. She became compliant, was honest about a prior warrant, and let the officer assist her. Judgment can return. First lesson. Theft completes at deception, not at the door. Skip scanning, ticket switching, false price entry, all of it triggers the statute the second the dishonest act occurs. By the time anyone thinks, I'll just put it back, the prosecutor already has every element, on video, with a receipt. Second lesson. If you believe an arrest is unlawful, comply first, litigate second. The street is not a courtroom. Federal civil rights statutes, including Section 1983 of Title 42 of the United States Code, exist precisely because the law assumes some arrests will be wrongful. The remedy is a lawsuit. The remedy is not pulling away from handcuffs. Third lesson. Pregnancy is a tactical factor for officers, not a legal defense for suspects. Officers should adapt technique and prioritize de-escalation, but pregnancy does not pause probable cause. It does not freeze the resisting arrest statute. It does not transform physical interference into protected speech. If there is a body cam video, police encounter, or legal question you want us to analyze, tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more in-depth legal breakdowns.